Foundational AI is the core technology that underpins AI. So it's not applications, it's not how you use it, it's the technology itself.
What's really surprising to many people is that we really don't understand the fundamentals behind it. So foundational AI is really about better understanding those foundational elements.
So what we're trying to do is we're trying to understand the mechanical structure of why and how AI works.
And an understanding of the technology and how it works is critical to building a competitive advantage.
We could lead to real gains in efficiencies, so making AI systems orders of magnitude more efficient, cheaper, and also creating brand new innovations for the Australian economy.
The reason you want to do this is you want to take AI from a magical, unknown black box lens, which is what is the state of AI right now in a lot of companies and universities and institutes, to a land where it's more scientific and understandable.
Well, it's extremely significant because it's the largest investment by any corporate entity in Australian history into foundational AI. And so we're really proud that it's here in South Australia and at the University of Adelaide.
Currently in Australia, there's a deep void in AI usage within companies and universities around this country. CommBank is at the forefront of AI use amongst companies in Australia.
The best thing about the partnership with Commonwealth Bank is that they came in wanting to do foundational AI research. That's the first time that's ever happened. I've been in AI research for 20-something years, and everybody focuses on the applications and how it's going to benefit them immediately.
They are one of the top companies in Australia that can make a real change for AI and its democratization for the public of Australia. And we believe that this will make a huge benefit to the people, the companies, and including small businesses and the universities in and around Australia.
A belief that this type of fundamental AI work can be done here in Australia and can actually lead to real commercial outcomes and to lead to great outcomes in terms of education, as well as creating brand new innovations here in the Australian economy.
The fantastic thing about the Commonwealth Bank's endeavour is that they identified that actually what Australia and what CBA need are deep technologies, deep understanding of how this critical technology works and where it's going.
What I'm trying to do is really understand how AI models that are being deployed, like the ChatGPTs you all see, how we can make them more cost-effective and memory effective. So many of these models use billions and billions of parameters, which leads to a huge cost. And one of the questions I want to address is, do we actually need all that machinery for these models? Can we make a 1 billion parameter model run on 1 million parameters?
It's not about applications in the short term, it's about how we build a competitive advantage for Australia and CBA in the long term.
AI is essentially the new electricity, right? So they have a large language model inside the bank and they have to update it constantly. And it's actually quite a costly exercise. So thanks to some really clever work that was done here within the Institute, we were able to double the efficiency of that training of the AI. So that's one great example, but we really expect that we're going to add a lot more value than that in the next coming years.